Okay, y'all, what's up, sissies? Welcome back to the channel. How is good? Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing a 20-inch 4x4 lace closure deep wave wig by Bangjazzhair. Now, this is the box it came in. It's cute, right? But and it comes with a wig cap, 2 pieces, and it comes with a little, you know, I think it says Bangjazz, and basically this is saying, you know, surprise gift, thanks for ordering from the store, you know, contact them for your free surprise. So it comes with one of those as well. Now, I'm gonna just go ahead on and say, y'all know I like colored hair. It came in black. Y'all know I likes to color my hair. Y'all know I likes to bleach my wigs and everything and all that. And I'm gonna just go ahead on and say that this hair could not take bleach. It like damaged it. It damaged it. So because of the simple fact that it couldn't take bleach, and the fact that if I didn't have knowledge of hair and what to do with hair and how to get this together and everything, this hair probably would have just fell completely out, and that was it. I'm giving this hair a C. Okay, C. I'm giving it a C. I didn't like it. Like I said, you know, like what if I really didn't know nothing about hair, like getting it together? When I bleached it, y'all, I wanted, the look I was going for was like different, like little colors, different dimensions of a certain color, a lighter color, which I was going to do like a pink, but I wanted hot pink and light pink and, you know, kind of like that, like, you know, different shades and stuff. And either the hot pink or I was going to do, what's that color? I forgot the color. But my point is, when you dye a wig and you use it, I don't know, it's a little trick. Like basically, you do some pieces with the tint and that'll lift it up to like a brown. So you know when you put a pink on that, it's not gonna be as loud because brown is not that light of a color. But then if you bleach some with 40s and it goes to that, you know, that 613, is gonna really take that pink. So that's gonna make it 2-dimensional. Like it's gonna be 2 different pinks and different, you know, little shades. So you know, you do it with different volumes, you get different colors, and then you put the color on there and it's gonna come out a different color from each bleached part like that. So that's what I was kind of trying to go for, which I have done before, and it came out cute. And this is how I know it really is, like it can't take bleach, because even the parts that I did with the 10 volume developer and it only lifted up to like brown, the hair was falling out. After you know what I'm saying, I did some parts 40, some parts 10, but the whole wig was just shedding. Like after I bleached it, and I seen things, you could tell. I had to do my concoction. I had to do my, because I didn't have what I needed to do my cure-all. I couldn't get to it because the hair store was closed, so I couldn't get it. So I had to make one, which I knew, you know, I ain't new to it. I know how to revive some hair, period. Okay, and what I used to revive the hair was, I used my Weightless Healing Dry Oil by Argan Oil. I also used Afro G's Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor, which this is a leave-in. That was to get that reconstructing, get it going, a little oil in there. And I used my Miel strengthening oil. I used these 3 things, and I did leave in the Ultra Color Care Conditioner by Bioterra. I used them 3 things plus that conditioner, and I brushed it throughout the hair. Oh, and castor oil. I used a lot of castor oil, like a lot of castor oil. The heavy castor oil. I insert a picture, and I brushed all that through the hair, and I put it in a bag. I put it in 2 bags and let it set overnight, which you could, like, once I rinsed the hair out and I did all that, I could tell that it saved it. Like, y'all, it saved it. Oh, and I sprayed a lot of the Reconstructor. I sprayed a lot of that. Mix it all together, put it in that bag, saved the hair. So after that, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna try and do the 2, you know, the different color. I'm just gonna, because when hair is damaged, it's better to dye the hair like a darker color. I didn't want to dye it back black. I just didn't want black hair, you know. So I just had black hair. I'm over it. So I did the royal blue and the navy blue, but I did it in the Adore color, and I mixed them and I, you know, put it on there. And so this is how it looks now. Now I'm not about to install it and everything right now. It's still wet. I dried it. I set it under the dryer, and before, okay, I dyed her. I let it set, soak in the color and everything, and let it dye. And when I rinsed out, I did spray some more Reconstructor, some healing oil, and I sprayed some Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat. This is a really good heat protector. I sprayed the out of this, and then I put it under the dryer for a bit. Then I came back in with Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and I put it on there and brushed it through it, and then squinched the curls to kind of, you know what I'm saying, give it back a little life. So this is how it looks now. It's not, like I told y'all, it's still drying. So in the next clip, y'all will see it dry, and y'all will see me putting it down and everything. But it was shedding so bad, like, y'all. And this, mind y'all, after I bleached it, like what you're looking at right now on this brush, this is nothing compared to how it shed after I bleached it. Like, y'all, it shed. Okay, now the reason why I'm giving it a C versus a F is because I don't think it's completely bad hair. I just don't think it can take bleach that well. So on the bright side, this company did reach out and wanted to work with all of us, so you will see the 3 different reviews on this hair. This is my sister's wig. It's the same wig, and like the initial look and feel, the hair doesn't feel like bad hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't feel, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think it will be, now it doesn't feel like great hair neither. I ain't gonna stunt. Like, you know what I'm saying? This isn't the best hair I have ever felt. Like, soon as like, I've had hair and it was like butter. Nice. But I don't think it's so processed to the point where it's bad hair naturally. If that makes sense. Like, if you get, like, don't bleach it, don't color it, you leave it how it is, I think it will be a good wig. I did look at the other reviews under it, and nobody else had dyed it or tried to color it or anything, and they had the nice little reviews, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I think if you leave it alone and just wear it as is and style it as is, brush through it, put whatever you put in your wigs, I think it could be good hair. That's why I'm not giving it an F, because, you know, that was on me to try and dye it and stuff, bleaching and everything. But I mean, then again, you know, you selling wigs, you selling hair, baby, they gotta be able to color your hair. They gotta be able to do a little bleach. Even if it's a 10 volume, like, come on now. But so you will see more of this unit with my sisters. They're gonna have their own reviews on this hair, so you'll see more of it, and you'll see, you know, what's going on. Oh, another thing, I did bleach the hair while it was, well, it was on only wet at the top. It was only wet at the top. The hair was wet at the top when I bleached it. The rest of the hair wasn't wet, but all of it still had the same outcome. It was shedding like crazy. The ends are, I really had to save the ends. Like and I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna put the split, no, not this one. Y'all know my other Miel, my split end therapy. I'm really gonna put this on this hair. Or I might not waste my good split end therapy. I don't know. What y'all think? Should I just like cut it into a bob? I don't know. But I'm gonna come in real quick so y'all can kind of see it better. See it better, so there it is. That's what's going on. But I would like to thank Bangjazz for reaching out and wanting to work with all of us and sending all of us wigs. Y'all gonna hear more about the hair. Okay, so you know, next I'll let y'all see me installing it, and it's gonna be fully dry. Okay. So let me get my girl. So I'm about to put the wig on today, y'all. And just a FYI, y'all, I knew I had to dye her again, but I was trying to hurry up and get the start of the video going. So there, you know, the color. You know what I'm saying? She flat, baby. She already. She's flat. At this point, I'm getting my foundation to color the lace, so when I lay it on my head, it blends better. Y'all. Okay, so y'all, this me just, you know, putting the wig on my head and fitting it to, you know, until it's like comfortable sitting on my head. It fit pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, later on the combs did get on my nerves, but of course, you know, you could cut your combs out or keep it in there if you want to, whatever. Since it's a U part, I kind of decided to keep my combs in there just to make sure, you know, the sides of the wig didn't come up at all, because, you know, it's a 4x4, like, you know, that's, you know. So well, I'm just going on and tell y'all, like, I was trying to like do it on camera for y'all. I'm gonna have to get some better equipment to where I could go in the bathroom and look in the mirror and do it, because I gotta look at it when I do it. Now, I used the Got To Be glue, the you know, the little gel, and then I used the spray to, you know, to glue it down to my actual forehead. That's me putting it on there, and I'm fanning it. See, that go to spray. I'm gonna fan it again, because y'all know y'all gotta let it dry a little bit, get a little tacky, and then let it glue to your head. Like, I'm gonna tie it down with a rag and let it go. Look at me, girl, trying to dry it, y'all. I was trying to do as much as I could on camera, y'all. I sort of I really tried. Like, I bought the phone in the bathroom. I was trying to set it up. It just wasn't working. It wasn't working, y'all. It wasn't meant for y'all to see this time. So yeah, like I said, I tied it down with a rag. Now I'm gonna tie it down with a rag initially, just for it to dry down on my head. Now, after it dries down on my head good enough, I am gonna take it off, look at it, you know, make sure it's dried down. Then after that, I'm going to take some baby hairs out, of course. Your girl got to save some baby hairs, you know. I'm gonna take them out, you know, and then I'm gonna tie it down again. So this is me tying it up the first time. And, you know, down the video, y'all just, you know, y'all gonna see everything else. And then in the end, I'll insert some pictures so y'all can see how the wig actually came out. And the color I'll take pictures in the sun. The color came out really basically like a navy blue. You know what I'm saying? It's cause it's blue, but it's not light. It's a dark blue, so it's really like navy blue. And they do have different, you know, it still has that two-dimensional thing. Like some blue, some parts of it is like a little lighter blue, and then some parts is like that dark blue. So it still has that two-tone that I was trying to go for. So, you know, it wasn't that bad. Next time I'm gonna do a louder color though. Nah, this is me with the baby bangs out, but yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. And like I said, I'll insert the pictures. So yeah. I do want to say that the hair has been doing pretty well. I told y'all when I bleached it, it didn't, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I know about hair, so I knew how to revive and then keep it going, keep it together, keep it popping. So, you know, the hair doesn't really tangle that much anymore. And it's really soft now, actually, you know. So, you know, y'all take that how y'all want to take that. But yeah, that's it.